Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'll be showing you my new car. Let's take a look outside. So we got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the black rims, black 5-liter. We got the active exhaust and 460 horsepower. So much fun to drive.
Website, so they created this print. Hopefully get a lot more traffic on their website.
So some of the options with the active exhaust, so we can go 4 different modes for the exhaust. We can go, we'll roll down the window so you guys can hear. So we got quiet mode, we got normal mode, we got sport mode, and then we got track mode. We got the navigation, the audio, Apple CarPlay. I haven't even played around with it a lot. I'm gonna figure this a little bit out more today, but she's a beauty. I'm super happy to have it. So happy to have a Mustang.